Hello. In this video we will show you what's new in version 3.4 of the PDF index generator software. Feature number 1. Writing the output index to a Microsoft document file. In step 4 of the program, you can append the index to an existing PDF file, using the first option. The second option allows you to write the index to a new file. Enable the second option. And click the Browse button, to specify the new file. Here, you can select the file type. You can write the index as a new docx file, or doc file, as well as a PDF or text file. Let's save the index as a docx file. We will save it to the desktop. And we will rename it, index. Click, Save. Let's disable the first option. And then click Start Writing. Done. Click Open, to check the output document file. The index looks great. If you write the same index to a PDF file, you'll see that the indexes in the PDF and document files are identical. It's worth to mention that the program does not require Microsoft Office to write the index to a document file. In future versions of the program, further extensions will be included in step 4 when writing the index to an output file. Feature number 2. Using minus terms in the Include category. Click Tools. Settings. Include words. Click the Add Category button, to create a new category. You can define a list of terms here, and instruct the program to index the book, using them. The new feature included here, is the ability to employ minus terms, in the auto-merge terms. For example, you can use the term Biden minus Jill Biden equals Joe Biden. The equation instructs the program to index all Biden names in the book, except for Jill Biden, which is ignored, as this Biden name is not for Joe Biden, so we don't want to index it. Then set the final name that is written in the book index to Joe Biden. So, the minus terms allow you to disregard certain terms in the auto-merge terms, giving you more control over what you index. Feature number 3. New margin options added to the index templates. Let's move to the index templates section, in the program settings. To make changes to the selected template, click Edit. In the Title tab, we have added this Margins section, where you can set the top and bottom margin values, for the index title. By moving to the Letters tab, you will see same margin options here. Let's open a PDF index file, to examine those margins. This is the index title. The top margin of the title indicates the distance between the index title and the top edge of the page. The bottom margin of the title indicates the distance between the index title and the first index letter placed on the page. These are the index letters. The top margin of the index letter indicates the distance between the index letter and the last term written over it. The bottom margin indicates the distance between the index letter and the first term written below it. Those new margin controls will help you set the spaces of the index elements in a better way. Feature number 4. The timeout option. This is a new option that has been added to the program settings in the Index Content tab. It specifies a timeout value for writing the index in step 4 to any file, whether it's a PDF or document or text file. The default timeout value here is 10 minutes. When the program starts writing the index to a file in step 4, if it does not finish within 10 minutes, you will receive a confirmation message to continue or quit the process. You will receive the same confirmation message every 10 minutes, until the writing process is finished, or you can cancel it. This is helpful in case the process freezes, for any unknown reason. We have now mentioned 4 of the features that were added to this new release. Those features are explained in details in the program help, which can be accessed online. Many other features and fixes were added, and you can check them all in the release log page, on our website. Please feel free to contact us if you have suggestions for our program. We value your ideas, and we truly consider your comments to create better new user-friendly releases. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.